Hey everyone, Anirban this side, the author of Direct Art University. Today we are gonna see how we can run Google Ads on a very small budget. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, this is a new campaign of a client. Okay, so I already created a campaign to show you how. First of all, we need to understand that more we give control to the Google, which means automated bidding, so more you spend. Okay, so you should always start with manual bidding to make it more controlling and like a budget friendly. Okay, so let me show you what I'm trying to say. This is a campaign I have created and I'm using the, let me show you, just a minute. Yeah, so as you can see here, I have selected the manual CPC, right? uh, so Google is recommending something else, but I will not listen to the Google. Yeah, so manual CPC. So manual CPC is something which you can use to minimize the cost, which means you will be able to bid for certain keywords on Google Ads. For example, you know that maybe you are a solar company, maybe, and you know that those who are interested, they search like a solar installation cost, or solar installation, how much it will take to install a solar in our roof, something like this kind of long tail keywords and short tail keywords also. So you have to analyze those keywords and only bid for those keywords. Now let me show you what I mean by bidding. Okay, so manual CPC is something which you will not get in the campaign settings. Okay, you have to set up from here. Okay, from the settings section you have to come here and select the manual CPC. But most of like in the campaign settings, you will get only these four options. Okay, so this is a trick from Google. Yeah, so we have multiple bidding strategies, but this manual CPC is something which is important. Okay, now let me show you the keywords. Now so this is a German keywords. Okay, so that's why you will not be able to understand here. Yeah, if you don't know the German. Okay, so now can you see here maximum CPC? So here I can bid for this keyword. So Google will tell you what is the amount people are bidding for, and you have to bid more than that. Okay, let me show you if I have something like this. Yeah, you can also say here something like this: limited, rarely shown, low quality score. So if you get this kind of messages, then you have to understand that your ad copy is not relatable with your keyword, so you have to create another ad copy with this keyword. Okay, so this is something which is also important while doing your advertising under I mean manual CPC. Now I don't have such problems here. Uh, just a minute. Now, as of now, I'm bidding for 114 keywords, but it should be minimized under 15 or 60 keywords. Okay, then Google will only bid for those keywords. Okay, now how you will get to know about the keywords which people are searching for? Now initially when you use manual CPC, you should always choose the keyword match which is phrase match. Broad match is something I don't recommend people to do it because it's ruin your budget a lot. Go with the phrase match and try to understand what are the similar keywords people are searching on a Google search. Okay, so if you go to the now how to understand those search terms, go to the insights and reports, search terms. Okay, now here you can see here some search term people are searching for, which is relatable uh, to our phrase match keywords. Okay, now this is something people are searching at which is not added. You can add it from here. Okay, from here also. Now here you have to Google will also recommend you the match of the keyword which should be added. Now here they are recommending phrase match, but I will add this keyword in a broad sorry, exact match. Okay, so this is how you can understand the relatable keywords and close variants. You can see here close variants. Majority of them I have, and some of them I don't have. Okay, you can also check the impression and clicks. Okay, and the cost and other things also. Okay, so I hope it's understandable. Now, and this is something which you need to understand. Other things are like your ad copy and all. Ad copy should be relatable to the keywords. Okay, you should add the keywords in your ad copy to make it more perfect and Google friendly. Also, ad strength sometimes matters, so try to make it good. Like as you can see here, I have a poor ad strength, which is why I'm not getting much clicks, but the first one is excellent, that's why I'm getting clicks. Okay, so sometimes ad strength doesn't matter, but in some cases ad strength matters. So try to experiment a lot with the ad strength, and this is how you can explore other things as well. Now, audiences, always remember, when you Google will not give you the settings of audiences in the search campaign settings. So you should always you should always go here after publishing your campaign. Here is the audience section and edit demography. Now under edit demography you should always uncheck the unknowns. This household income is okay, but these two things you should always uncheck these unknown options, because this brings invalid clicks, bot and other suspicious clicks on your ads, which will ruin your budget a lot. Yeah, and one more thing also, the thing is, in your ad copy you should always enable cookies. Okay, which will allow you to understand the uh, customer's IP address. Okay, now when you know the customer IP address, you can block them. Why I'm saying this, what happens sometimes your competitors submit fake lead forms on your ad copy to ruin your budget. Okay, it happens mostly in real estate, in solar companies and more big companies. Okay, so you should always remember those things, and you should always block those IP addresses. Now let me show you how you can block them. I should always go to the ad copy. Okay, under the ad copy, sorry, yeah, ad copy. So it's a ad group. I have to uncheck this one. Just a minute. The ad copy. Sorry, this is a campaign. Now go to the campaign settings here. Here, can you see here IP exclusion? So here you have to enter the IP address and save it. This is how you can reduce the um, invalid clicks and invalid lead forms. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can minimize the cost of advertising and start your advertising on a very small budget. And one more thing also, that is that the dynamic search ads and dynamic. Okay, let me show you, that would be better I think. In the ad group you will always get two options. One is responsive ad, other one is dynamic ads. So you should always go with the responsive ad, because responsive ad is something which you have, which means this is manual, so you create, but dynamic is like automated. Okay, so Google will have the more control of the ad group, so it's not good. So you should always go with the responsive. Okay, this is responsive ad group, but if I click here create, here I get two options, standard and dynamic. Standard means responsive, Dynamic means dynamic ad group. Okay, so you should not go with this one. Okay, I hope that's clear, and it's very much pretty informative, I guess. If you like the video, do subscribe and also like the in the video, and I will see you later. Bye.